Up next is a 2007 BMW K1200GT. This bike has an 1157cc inline 4-cylinder engine that develops 152 horsepower at 9,500 RPMs, and it redlines a little above 10,000 RPMs. Checking the miles, under 63,000. So this bike has been out and done some traveling. Has a tank bag installed, great place for directions and such right there under the clear. The bike's in great shape in color silver. The saddlebags, or tour packs if you will, are lockable and they hold a lot. Look how wide that is. Has a 6-speed transmission. I don't know if you've ever ridden a BMW sport bike type, but they're quick. They're ridiculously quick. And being the sport bike design, handle awesome in the curves and the twisties. This bike is available 7 days a week for test rides at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos. Come on out.